Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 22. If the yield of cowpea is 750 kg per hectare, calculate the yield of cowpea from the 20 hectare farm. A. 7,500 kg, B. 15,000 kg, C. 22,500 kg, D. 37,500 kg. So you have the yield for cowpea on a particular piece of land as 750 kg per hectare. So that means for every 1 hectare it yields 750 kg. Now I asked to calculate the yield of cowpea from a 20 hectare farm. So how many kg of cowpea will it yield? Now in order to get that, the yield will be equal to 750 times 20, and that is 15,000 kg. So 15,000 kg is option B. So 20 hectare farm, 20 hectares will yield 15,000 kg, option B of cowpea. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.